song.
Definitely.
लाइफ में कुछ करना है ना, मम्मा ही नहीं बन के रहना है.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sakshi Agarwal. In case you're new here, then I make videos on makeup, fashion, lifestyle and vlogs. So recently भावना सिंह ने अभी अपने डाला था मास्टर क्लास का and I got an email. So excited. So मुझे इनविटेशन का मेल आया था and अभी हम वहीं जा रहे हैं. मास्टर क्लास है DLF प्रोमेनाड में एंड बसंत कुंज. मैं अभी वहीं जा रही हूँ अपने भाई. आई लेट यू गाइस नो अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑल. अभी तो वैसे ही बहुत नर्वसनेस हो रही है, देखो क्या होता है. एंड आई डिड दिस वेरी सटल मेकअप फॉर द इवेंट. आई रियली होप कि आप इस व्लॉग को एंजॉय करें. सो प्लीज़ गिव अ थम्स अप, कमेंट ऑन बिलो एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. इट विल मीन अ लॉट टू मी. एंड विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू चलो आगे का शुरू करते हैं.
नहीं दिखी तो है भी बड़ा.
So guys, we have reached the mall. और अभी हम ऐसे ही घूम रहे हैं क्योंकि टाइम है अभी इवेंट स्टार्ट होने में. सो वी आर जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड एंड मॉल में हर जगह स्क्रीन लगी हुई थी ब्राइट टाइप की. एंड आई लव दिस वन. ये देखो आप, पूरा इन्होंने कितना मतलब अच्छा लग रहा है, एकदम अट्रैक्टिव सा मैनिक्विन से पूरा डेकोरेट कर रखा है. इन्हें अपने पूरे शोकेस करते हुए अपने क्लोथ्स एंड ऑल. सो अभी वी आर गोइंग टू द PVR क्योंकि वहीं पे था जो इवेंट था. एंड यहाँ पर है जो इवेंट है भावना सिंह का. हमें थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ा था. वैसे इन्होंने बोला था कि 5 बजे शुरू हो जाएगा, बट 5 बजे बोल के इन्होंने 6:30 to 7 पे शुरू किया था क्योंकि उससे पहले गुनीत का था तो उसका ओवर होने में ही बहुत टाइम लग गया था. तो तब तक हमने कुछ ऐसे ही खाया पिया एंड फिर हमने एंट्रीज़ करी थी और हमें ये बैंड्स मिल गए थे. ये जो इवेंट है यहाँ पे जो हेयर अप्लाइंसेस पे जैसे स्पॉन्सरशिप दी थी वो डायसन ने दी थी. तो वहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे डायसन की एड्स ही चल रही थी बार बार. एंड डायसन से उनका मैनेजर या हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट कोई था तो वो उसने हमें डेमो दिखाया था पूरा डायसन के अप्लाइंसेस से, लाइक हाउ वी कैन कर्ल आवर हेयर एंड अपने प्रोडक्ट्स का प्रमोशन एंड ऑल.
Beautiful ladies here and few gentlemen, welcome to DLF Promenade and SN by Shantanu and Nikhil presents the amazing masterclass by Dyson. Can we have a round of applause here, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you everybody. Now let us begin with the second session, and which is the most important session by Dyson here at DLF Promenade in this beautiful PVR hall. And before we begin, I would like to also highlight about our shopping promotion. Yes, which is ongoing shopping promotion, and wherein you have to just shop for 1 lakh rupees or above during the entire month. You can shop from anywhere, any brand inside the mall, and just shop for 1 lakh rupees or above, and you're entitled for a lehenga worth 5 lakh rupees by none other than SN by Shantanu and Nikhil. Ladies, isn't it exciting? Come on girls, show some love for Shantanu and Nikhil. And we would also like to tell you, you are also not just getting lehenga, we are also getting sherwani. by Shantanu and Nikhil. If you only shop for 1 lakh rupees or above, and let me also share with you that if you shop more than 1 lakh rupees, or probably the highest shopper of this month is going to get a 1 lakh rupees couture, and that is from Secret. Okay, so you'll get a trousseau basically, and I would also like to tell you one more secret that how to shop. Okay, so you can just come and tell you that we don't have much time, and I would also like to just thank our live audience very quickly before we begin the Dyson workshop. So the masterclass for today, Dyson first workshop, is about a new hairstyler. It is a very amazing hairstyler, and actually India's unique, and it's actually
I invite on stage with a huge round of applause, Mr. Ibrar Haider, hairstylist, Dyson. Can we have him on the stage, please? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And as I explained,
of using of any styler, what does Dyson do? They innovate and do research, and they came up to a product where they have used a cord-free straightening. So what I mean to say about cord-free straightening is, especially when you charge it, you can use it, or you can use
my whole hair and the length, absolutely. It's so tough and tricky sometimes, and you need a specialist to do it specifically. Correct. And to come it absolutely right in the the way, oh my god. Right. So basically, if you believe this, when I was doing a previous conventional styler,
with your screams and shouts for one and only Bhavna Singh. Come on. Okay, we are not settling for any less but the best. Can you just show me your love? Once again for Bhavna. Come on. Bhavna. Bhavna. Amazing, girls. She's gonna love this, and please show your Josh when she's here, and she's here, and as you can see, the music is getting louder. She's coming closer. Woo-hoo! How are you all? Come on, girls. Show some love. Show more love. I want to hear something. Hi everyone. Here comes Bhavna. Yeah. सबकी भावनाओं के साथ खेलने वाली भावना सिंह. A fashion diva. Hi. I'm not touching anybody, please. Social distancing. I'm not wearing a mask. Welcome. I'm doing very well. And the audience, come on, girls. You've been waiting for this very moment. All day. I'm not your mama. Because I know you can connect to the song. Definitely. Life में कुछ करना है ना. मम्मा ही नहीं बन के रहना है. What do you guys think? Women empowerment.
but guys, now it's the time. Get into the action. I know there are a lot of problems, social distancing, this, that, but still, whenever you step out of the house, you should look the best. That's what I want. And literally, if I go anywhere, you know what I see? I don't see the face. I see the clothes. That's my profession though, but for me, face is okay. You've been blessed, but styling, you can possess. Oh my god, possess. Yes, I
So girls, today you want to talk only about trousseau or the basic styling on? Now time has changed. You want your album to look good, isn't it, girls? No matter what body type you are in, no matter what, you should enhance it. You should appreciate it. You should love yourself. And try to style yourself in whatever body type you are. Yeah? Please, अपने आप को ये कहना बंद करो यार मैं तो मोटी हूँ. So no doubt it's very simple. It's very like क्या है, cotton ही तो है. Like normal. यार hips heavy तो एक blessing है यार. I don't like you. You have that thing, and that's a blessing. It looks so cool. You need to give them bounce because that area is not that highlighted. Your hair is highlighted.
Because I already have chubby cheeks.
Masterclass over हो गई and I just came out and I got to manage to meet her and got a selfie with her. So उसके बाद हमने ऐसे डिनर वगैरह किया and इस टाइम शॉप्स वगैरह मॉल की सब बंद हो चुकी थी. So the masterclass was amazing. We learned a lot about fashion. So if you like this vlog, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Till then, bye bye.